Alright, so I'm on meeting family and I found this big commercial train unit. Well, it's a heat pump. It's all painted. There's a scroll. It's got a climate tough scroll. Compressor. It looks like a commercial unit. By the sea. Looking on it, and there's the compressor again. It looks like it's been running. The old modern train. Can't stop a train, they say. Look at this line set, man. The suction line's big, and the liquid line's about the size of a normal suction line. The old modern train, man. Yeah, it is a heat pump. It's got a TXV. That big old compressor. I guess they painted it because it was all rusty and stuff. There's my dad's car. Oh, condenser. I'm probably not going to be able to upload these videos until I get back, but double filter dryers. I think it's a 2-stage. I don't know. Data sheet. Trane Odyssey. It is a looks like a 90,000 BTU, so this might be a 5. This thing might be a flippin' 9-ton. Yeah, this is a 9-ton. Dang. There's a low voltage wire, thermostat wire. It's from 2014. Says it right there. There's the model, and there's the serial. It's 14 right there, so that's 2014 as well. There's the electrical box. There's the line set going in and back into the unit. There's the electrical work on the electrical box, and then the conduit. Not the worst install in the world, but I mean, they have this here, and they have it strapped to the unit, so it's a pretty good install, I'd say. I thought it was like a Lennox or Rheem unit when I first saw it, because Rheems have this style. Yeah. That Copeland scroll compressor. Whoa! Look at that suction line. Oh my gosh. Yep, got a TXV. A ginormous piston, and a ginormous reversing valve, and the compressor again. Yep, knowing train, they have rotor locks. I'm gonna go ahead and get some pictures here. Picture of the data sheet. Assembled in Mexico. Made in the US, I bet. And I'll get a picture of the install. If I can. Did I get it? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got it. Alright, so there you go. 9-ton 2014 9-ton Trane heat pump. This is at a bank. This is closed, so that's good. No one will catch me. Alright, there you go. 2014 9-ton Trane heat pump. Over and out.